Hey everybody, Zuri Fx here. We're doing a Mashup half-face pumpkin. On one side, I'm putting my color base on, which is orange for pumpkin. On the other side, putting black as if the pumpkin is in the dark. Adding a one stroke and going on the half face. And on the other side, using another one stroke. Split cake. Adding yellow to give my teeth and my eyes a 3D look. And filling in the orange side with black. And as you can see, the mouth already looks a little 3D. And also the eye area. And the other side, I'm going to keep it light, as if there is a candle inside the pumpkin that's sitting in the dark. Next, adding a neon face paint to give it more of a yellow and more of a pop. Highlighting with the neon yellow. And orange, neon orange as well. Giving more detail to the dark side, adding my little green and a little bit of vines. Now I'm just putting more detail and lining into the pumpkin. Okay, so I was doing a pumpkin and he was begging me for a pumpkin, so I literally took 3 minutes out of my time to do a pumpkin for him. So he was happy. Nice and quick. Yay! And back to work. So I'm putting more detail into my stem. And more detail into the pumpkins. I want them to mesh together. Awesome, I'm all done. This is my mashup half face Halloween look. Zuri FX over and out. Bye.